What makes you tick? What ticks you off? Why do you find interactions with some people to be easy and interactions with other people to be a struggle? Why and when do you procrastinate? Why do some things come naturally to you and other things baffle you? Why do you find some activities energizing and others draining? Why do you do the things you do? One of Tero's most popular workshops is self-knowledge and self-awareness. In the past, the only way to experience this training was to attend a custom workshop or a Tero Leadership Academy. Those days are over. Thanks to the client feedback, we've made this life-changing program accessible to more people by offering it as a public workshop. From Socratic writings to modern times, the concept of self-knowledge has played an important role in the pursuit of personal growth. Self-awareness allows us to recognize our strengths and our weaknesses so we can make good choices in life. Self-awareness is about being in tune with what your behaviors are and how they may impact relationships and the results you get. But self-awareness is not enough. Self-knowledge is also necessary. It's about understanding why you are behaving in a certain way by gaining a deeper knowledge of self through reflection, through feedback, and insights, provided by the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. During this workshop, you'll reveal blind spots, discover and build on strengths, and recognize that a strength done to excess can actually become a weakness. Begin your personal transformation by investing one day in attending Tero's self-knowledge and self-awareness workshop. This may be the most important investment you'll make in your personal development this year.